Cascading style sheets or CSS as a shortcut is a language that defines the presentation of a document. CSS can also be used with most markup languages including XUL and SVG, and with particularly in XML document that support style sheets. CSS has been a fundamental part of the web stack for the past couple of years. Unlike other technologies, it presents several security challenges. This chapter discusses how the extra functionality given to CSS, such as ability to read the visited state of a page, CSS expressions, CSS attribute selectors, and UI appearance manipulation, can be used to affect the privacy and security of information. A variety of CSS-based attacks are reviewed, and a couple of syntax bugs that may allow users to obfuscate attacks at a high level of complexity are discussed. The process of how several types of attack vectors which may not require the use of JavaScript or any other script language are created. CSS syntax and parsing rules are also different from JavaScript and HTML. In that case, CSS combines the passive security origin but with elements that can define the origins of CSS hosting seed, as in the HTML, and with its very permissive parsing and cross-domain nature of the remote style sheets. CSS also allows information leakage and cross-browser parsing compatibility problems that introduce security vulnerabilities. It is important to note that CSS3 is still a work in progress, and some elements may change. Cascading style sheets, whose abbreviation is CSS, should not be confused with XSS. Controlled layout of a website for various media. A web page could be resized or modified depending on whether it's been rendered in a browser, a mobile phone, or sent to a printer. Clever use of CSS can attain much of the same outcomes as JavaScript-based attack. In 2006, MySpace suffered a CSS-based attack that tricked victims into divulging their passwords.